Hello, everybody. Jeff with Prucknick Adventures. Hey, we made a apple pie today, or I did, and just made a short little clip video of it using my grandmother's secret pie crust recipe. And a little backstory on that is I was excited one time, had my wife with me, sat down in the family room with my grandmother, and I said, listen, I always love your apple pie. I love the crust. Everybody raves about it. I said, can I please have the recipe? And she said, go in the kitchen, get a pad of paper and a pencil, and I will give you the recipe. And it wasn't a long list, let me tell you that. So watch the video and you will find out what my grandmother uses as a secret pie crust recipe. Jeff with Prucknick Adventures. How are you today? I want to share a secret with you that my grandmother passed down to me. Get a pen and paper, because when I get over here, I'm going to give you my grandmother's secret pie crust recipe. I've waited so many years for it, and I was so excited when she was going to give it to me. Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. Go to your supermarket, because you're going to get these great ingredients. And there it is. Pillsbury's. Oh, this one isn't quite Pillsbury's. I believe it is. Pie crust. Yes, it's what my grandmother made. She's famous. Locally grown apples from Willcox, Arizona. Apple Annie's. Going into the apple pie. And like I say, there's all the dry ingredients, which is your sugar, brown sugar, nutmeg, all your basics for a apple pie. Comes in the box. My grandma's secret pie crust recipe comes in. Again, right there. All you got to do is follow those directions, and you get a yummy pie just like my grandmother made. So how's the pie? That good, huh?
Yeah, she's gonna.
Why are you smiling? And you had a piece too.
That's very yummy.